Hey friends, this is C of Victory in the key of C. This is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have a lot of fun doing it. All right, so if you stop the video, if you do click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as you print it out and follow along, okay? All right, so we have 4 chords that I've kept it simplified for you. So we have F, G, A minor, and C. So let's go through those 4 chords. So if you look for this group of 3 black notes, you will find the left note of those, the F note. Okay, so we go every other note and we have F, A, C. Okay, so that's our F major chord. Okay, if you kind of freeze those 3 fingers and move up one set of notes, you can play the G chord. So we have G, B, D. Okay, G major chord. Again, freeze, move up one set of notes there. A, C, E. That's our A minor chord. And then move up 2 sets of notes there, and you are on the C major chord there. So C, E, G. Pretty simple. Okay, so let's go through those 4 chords again. F, G, A minor, and C. Okay, so left hand is going to be playing really simple single notes. Okay, we're just keeping it super simplified here. So we have F, going to be playing with our F major chord. Okay, G to G. A minor to A in the bass, and then our C. Okay, all right. Then I just want you to be reminded, if you've never watched our tutorials, that I like to try to find a 5-note position that this hand can kind of camp out the whole song. So I'm going to put thumb on C for this song and keep these fingers there the whole song. Okay, all right. So I'm going to break down the verse. I'm going to sing it for you and put the vocals in, and then we'll break down that rhythm for you. Okay, all right. The weapon may be formed, but it won't prosper. When that darkness falls, it won't prevail. 'Cause the God I serve knows only how to triumph. And my God will never fail. And my God will never fail. Okay. All right. So what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is we're doing a rhythm called 1-to-2 ratio, and it works really nice with this song. That's 4/4 time signature. Okay. So what we're doing is just both hands together, then the right hand together, right, together, right, together, right. And you could practice that on any of those chords. Here's A minor, just practicing together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay. Let's talk about rhythms for a minute, patterns, I should say. In verse 1, we have the same 3 chords repeated: A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C, and so on. Okay, so that takes care of verse 1 and 2. Then if you look at the chorus, we have 4 chords that are repeating: A minor, F, C, and then they add in that G. A minor, F, C, G. A minor, F, C, G. The only thing that's a little different is the bridge, okay? Otherwise, that kind of helps simplify the song when you notice that there's a lot of repetition. Okay, so let's go through verse 1 together. So starting out with our A minor there. The weapon may be F, formed but it won't C, prosper. Repeat. A minor. The darkness F, falls it won't C, fail. 'Cause the A minor, God I serve knows F, only how to C, triumph. A minor, my God will F, never fail. C, repeat there. And my God will F, C. Okay. All right, let's take a look at that chorus. Starting out with the A minor. Now we're just going to add the G. A minor, F, C, G. Okay. I'm going to see a victory. I'm going to see a F, victory. For the C, battle belongs to you. G. Lord, I'm going to see A minor, victory. I'm going to see a F, victory. For the C, battle belongs Verse 2 is the same as verse 1. All right, let's take a look at that bridge. This is a little bit tricky rhythm. I'm just going to show you that last line, but I'm going to play it through first so you can see it. You take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. You turn it for good. Repeat. You take what the enemy meant for evil and you turn it for good. You turn it for good. Okay. All right. Together, we're going to start with that F chord. Excuse me. You take what the enemy meant for G, evil, and you turn it. Okay. C chord quickly and then F chord quickly. For good. You turn it. Okay. Here again, we're going to do it quickly. A minor, G. For good. Okay, so on that last line, excuse me, you don't have enough time to do that together, right for every single chord. So you're essentially block chording through it. So you're going C, F, you turn it for good. Okay, they go on chord change. You don't have enough time to get that little rhythm in. Okay, so take a little bit of time. The trickiest part of this song is probably that bridge, just because of the chord progression is a little different, as well as the rhythm just changes up a bit. Okay, go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end, and you can play and sing along with me. Have a lot of fun. Here you go. The weapon may be formed, but it won't prosper. When the darkness falls, it won't prevail. 'Cause the God I serve knows only how to triumph. And my God will never fail. And my God will never fail. And I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. And I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. There's power in the mighty name of Jesus. And every war he wages, he will. I'm not backing down from any giant, 'cause I know this story ends. And I know how this story ends. And I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. And I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. You take what the enemy meant for evil. You turn it for good. You turn it for good. You take what the enemy meant for evil.